Hi folks, my name is Mary. Thanks for coming out here to Junction City. I'd like to show you a Rekon today. This is brand new, 2022. It's a pleasure way. So it's got some really nice features. 4-wheel drive, very rugged, can take you anywhere. So as we come inside, this is your kitchen prep area. So this is a cooler that can actually, you can take it anywhere with you. So this is movable, so you can put it in the back of your truck, or if you're going out to the beach, you can take it with you there too. So as you open this up, you've got a refrigerator on the first part of this, and then you pull this out, and you've got a freezer on the bottom. Can you see that? I don't know. There's actually quite a bit of space in here. So as I said, this is your prep and cook space, but let me show you how you're going to cook. Under here, you have your induction stove top here, and there's a huge drawer down below here for all your goodies. So you're just going to plug this in, and this is where you're going to do your cooking. Your sink is right here. So you kind of have like the best of both worlds here. It's, you know, it's on the go. You can cook really fast for traveling, and then you've got your sink right here. You also have storage underneath the sink. So, and here is your control panel right above the sink. Let me show you the bathroom. As you can see, this is a storage, you know, utility closet. Basically, when you're not using it, when you're not using it, you've got these removable shelves, and then you do have racks so that you can dry your clothes, hang your clothes, travel like that. It's a great space. It's a great use of the space. So this is where the bedroom is. You've got a vent fan up above, and then when you're not using this, you're going to take these mattresses, put them to the side, and then you're going to lift this up and attach it. And this is going to be your open area for your kayaks, your bikes, motorcycle, whatever you want to take with you. These actually do come off. So you've got pass-through storage under here. You do also have a lot of storage under here. And this is where you're going to keep your water. You've got removable water, you know, containers here that you can keep filled. So this is how big your bed looks when it's in the down position. You've got a lot of space here. You do also have a screen right here that you're going to be able to like put down and have a lot of ventilation in this unit. My name is Mary. I work here at BISH'S, so please give me a call, 406-850-4590. Thank you so much.